Where's he at?
Here. He's shooter still on the porch.
Get him right here. You got him on the porch.
We've asked, that's the last place we've been told.
You show me your hands now! Stand up and walk towards us! Stand up now! Walk towards us! Stand up with your hands up!
We know we got a visual in the veil. Not showing his hands, not following commands.
Stand up now!
Not showing hands for following commands. His name is Chad Dorman. Chad Dorman.
I know, but we can't.
If you're going to need first aid and he's not complying, and you know he's a shooter, shoot him.
We gotta find cover first. We ain't no good if we ain't safe ourselves. Hey, no. We need to come from this side where we can see them. Don't take cover behind her. We see him. We're going to approach from this side. We got cover. Right here.
6 cover, 29 and 63 attack that.
We're not working right now.
Show us your fucking hands now! Stand up! Stand up! Stand up! Stand up now! Stand up! Stand the fuck up!
EMS to stage and air carrier is going to go ahead and fly whenever any units can advise.
Get your hands out of here. 72. Caliber 21. It's in the air.
If those guys can confirm that there's people that need first aid and that's the shooter, he's not complying, they need to take care of the victims. If they have to shoot him, then shoot him.
Man, I ain't trying to hurt nobody. I'm completely sober. Never did drugs
63, we're 21. Get the EMS over here.
Well, I did drugs when I was little, but I don't do drugs now. I'm sober. I'm not trying to fight you.
63.
Get your butt inside. I'm sober. I'm not trying to fight you.
63.
Get your butt inside. Gatlin, get your butt inside.
We on primary?
Now.
29, we got 3 kids down.
3 kids down, 63 down.
Gatlin.
63, we're 21. Have EMS respond over here.
You're clear, they're being advised.
Robert 34, just started mass custody response.
63, do you want them to respond to the Laurel Lindale address? Where exactly do you need them?
We're right in the front yard.
You took my life from me! My life!
What are you doing, man?
Hey, are you copying all this?
Can I roll over? I ain't gonna hurt you. I ain't gonna hurt nobody.
You got anything on you?
No, I ain't got nothing, man. Phone, that's it. I ain't mad. I ain't nothing. Just make sure that dog don't come out. I don't think he'll bite you. Just don't reach for him and try to grab him and pet him.
All right.
He won't bite you.
What's going on, man?
Nothing. Can I stand up? It's kind of uncomfortable.
I'm gonna get you here in a second.
I ain't running away. You can do whatever you want with me.
Here. You the only one else inside the house?
What?
You the only one else inside the house?
Yeah.
Sit down right here.
My daughter, she ran over to the fire department.
Sit down.
It's my stepdaughter.
Put him in the cage.
This is Will. This is Will.
They're all being advised they've requested 2 additional medics. There's also air carriers flying, but they need an LV and medic coming. Yes.
Can you get the wallet out of my back pocket?
Shut up, dude.
21.
You had the right to remain silent and fucking use it.
Yes, sir.
Take the call, I'm on the boss right now. I'm almost there. Yeah, 90 is where Chief and Captain's away. 34%.
Hold on.
The firehouse is advising them that the male shot the entire family.
1-hour-37.
You're clear.
Here.
Shooters on the porch.
Get him right here. Down on the porch.
We've asked, that's the last place we've been told.
You show me your hands now! Stand up and walk to me! Walk towards us! Stand up now! Walk towards us! Stand up with your hands up!
29, we got a visual on the male. Not showing his hands, not following commands.
Stand up now!
Not showing hands or following commands.
We gotta go.
His name is Chad Dorman. Chad Dorman.
These kids are in the front. We gotta go.
I know, but if people need first aid and he's not complying, and you know he's a shooter, shoot him.
You gotta find cover first.
I'm
so
trying.
It's good if we ain't safe ourselves. We need to come from this side where we can see. Come take cover. We see him. We're going to approach from this side. It's not close. Right here.
Six cover.
We gotta go.
29 and 63 to check up.
Right now, we're okay right now.
Show me your hands now! Stand up! Stand up!
Moving. Hold.
Stand up! Stand up now! Stand up! Stand up!
EMS is staged and air carrier is going to go ahead and fly whenever any units can advise.
Get your hands out here.
72.
Come on, 21. It's in the air.
We've got to confirm that there's people that need first aid, and that's the shooter. He's not complying. They need to take care of the
I got it.
victim. They have to shoot him.